this is the website, and here we have the main page, and here is the YouTube channel where you can see all the videos. So this will dynamically update even if a new video is put today or tomorrow. It will dynamically update here.
Okay.
So after this, we have the footers. So Facebook, GitHub, and YouTube, and also the copyright statement. Here, Facebook. Just know if the links are correct. So
Okay.
The GitHub and the YouTube.
Yes.
So after this, we have the blogs page. Here, I have updated the blogs that have been put till now, and if you click on it, you will get to know the title, the blog, and then the writer's name.
Exactly. Very good. Excellent.
Okay, so it's the same for all of them. There is a template that I will just show, and if there's not a exact writer that I couldn't find on the Lego Goa site, I have just Lego Goa Axiom. This can be changed easily through the code, because just mentioning the name of the person and their image.
Okay.
Also, we have the sponsor. So it just sponsor us, and if you click on this button, it takes you to your number. So right now we have put your number, or further if we want to create a business account where we can accept sponsorships, because if we now open this, it will take you to your
okay.
You can then contact and
just
okay.
So after this, we have the team. This is our team. We are still waiting for all of the team members to submit their photos, so then we can put all of them.
Sir, and one thing, this image and also the main screen, once we have a meeting of everyone, means all of us meet, will wear the jerseys and put the photo over here.
Okay. I wanted everybody to have one each page here instead of all together, no, in the team.
So, but the thing is, the content is not.
Okay, so don't make a page, make a plus then. Drop down, no, plus minus.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Put everything in plus. If you paste the plus, then only that person's this thing will drop down.
Okay, sir.
So by default, everybody's name should be seen on this page, all with pluses.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you'll not know who is the name, right? You'll keep on looking for the names, 14 names.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditya, Taksh, any feedback here?
Sir, they could add the team members like as drop downs under the.
That is what I said, no? Plus is that only.
Okay.
Also, is there a page where it talks about FTC and the principles and stuff like that?
No, we were planning on adding it here itself. Or if needed, we can just add it here.
Yeah, you should add as a separate page.
So we'll add the FTC.
And why do we need the welcome thing here? Do we need the welcome?
This is just the homepage. We can change this.
Yeah,
That's what
feedback is. Yeah. So I think Taksh and Aditya can write down the feedback and accordingly give it to them for the design part.
Well, they can also edit this directly. Because
it's on Git anyway.
It's on GitHub already. Okay. I have committed everything. So it's very simple. I'll explain how to do it now. I'll just show how to do it. Then I'll.
But first of all, I would like to congratulate you all. It's nicely done. I like this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So firstly, I'll just show you how the markdown works. So this is first the index page. So this one. So here you can so just here you can see also the because the page is built using Hugo, it's responsive. So even if it is made smaller, it will scale accordingly. And you even have this hamburger menu. So if it is smaller, it will show the menu. If it is larger, then it shows the navbar. So if you want to change anything, all of the pages are built using Markdown. So here is the title. So if I just change the titles to Lego Goa Axiom, so it will directly change it. So it's very simple. So some basics are any hashtag is equal to an H plus the amount of hashtag. So here this will be an H2. So H2 will be this big. So we recommend using H2 and H3 only. So this will be an H3. It will be way smaller. So H3 is only recommended for smaller paragraphs in some headings for blogs. So after this, if needed, anybody can add anything after this. So just remember to add a breaker if anybody is editing this. So now we'll see how to install the 3 things that are required for this. So I'll first show for Windows. So who all are going to be editing this website?
The plan is,
Yeah, I would be editing it, Viraj.
yeah, so Aditya will be doing it. But what I am saying is everybody's blog article no should be published by the respective person. That way we will create ownership.
Okay, sir. So right now I'll show for Windows user. So any who all are using Windows right now who will be editing. So please follow along. So first we need Hugo for this. So you have to go to Hugo, just search up Hugo and go hugo.io. So here just go to quick start and here you will get this link, install Hugo. I'll just share this link in the wait, I'll just go to Windows and I'll share it in the chat right now. So here so for everybody using Windows, you need Chocolatey, which is like brew but for Windows. So here you have to go to
Let's start. Get started.
get started. Here it will directly take you to install. I'll share this link also. So for this, just click on this. You don't need to subscribe to their news letter, is just optional. You have to have Windows 7 Plus, so I think everybody has that. So click on the individual edition, and then you have to make sure you are in the admin. So admin privileges user. So go to PowerShell and run as administrator. So here, and after that you have to first make sure you run this. So see, I'll share it in the chat, copy it and run it in your PowerShell. Make sure it is being run with administrative privileges. Is everybody getting something like other than restricted, or is anybody getting restricted? Because then you have to is anyone doing it with me?
Viraj, mine is a MacBook, so does it work the same way?
Okay.
On the same.
So for MacBook, I'll just show it in 2 minutes, because first I'll show it for Windows. It's a bit bigger process since you have to install Chocolatey and stuff.
So you can get
Or
it over
for-
here
yeah.
also
I'll just share this
on
link.
the Hugo side.
It's pretty simple. You just have to go to your terminal, do brew install Hugo. It will directly install the extended version. So has anybody else
Yeah, I am getting restricted.
restricted? So run this command.
Yeah, wait.
I sent it in the chat. Bring.
Yeah, then.
So after this, so this is the command that you have to execute to download chocolatey. So here, just copy this.
There are some options coming when I pasted the link.
What are the options?
Yeah, wait. They are yes to all, no to all, suspend.
Why?
Why?
So just
Yes.
put why.
Why?
Yeah.
Alright, yes.
Okay. So is that done for you?
Will download.
It didn't like executed any command. It just closed. I think so.
Why?
Do cho choc. Wait down. I'll have to check the choco. Just do choco and check. It should return this.
Choco and
Just choco
only
and press
choco.
enter.
Choco and press enter. The term Choco is not recognized. I think so it is not installed.
No.
Did you copy the latest command? The set execution policy bypass scope.
Yeah.
Try it again.
Anyone else?
Is anybody else having the same problem or is it done with everybody else?
I'm on Mac and I installed when I went to the Mac Hugo.
Yeah, just a second. I'll just share my screen. I'll show it to you on the Mac also.
Yeah, wait, should we download anything for it? Or just execute the commands?
For chocolate, you just need to execute the commands. So is that done for you? Okay, so after that is done, you have to proceed to the next step. So everyone just come on the have the Mac users downloaded using the link that is shared in the chat, or should I show it?
Could you show it, Viraj?
Okay, I'll just share. Just give me some 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay, done. It is working now. on my side.
Okay, so after that you have to just run this. I'll share the command. Run it in PowerShell itself with the administrative privileges.
Are you showing Mac or Windows now?
It's for Aryan. No, he's using Mac. Sorry, Windows.
Okay, okay.
So have you downloaded it, Aryan?
And then it is asking, do you want to run this script? Should I say yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Make it yes.
Okay. Yeah, done, installed.
Okay.
And
Aditya, please give me like 1 minute. My Mac is not connecting to the Wi-Fi. I just restarted it.
Okay, no problem.
So has everybody who's using Windows completed this?
Aryan. Aryan.
Yes.
Aryan.
Aryan, have you completed?
Yeah, done. It is showing chocolatey installed.
Chocolatey installed. Then run the latest command which is put in the chat. Choco install Hugo extended. This
Yeah,
one.
done.
Uh, done installing Hugo.
Can you see the screen?
Uh, no, but because we have already installed it.
No, like my screen.
Uh, yes, sure.
Yeah.
Uh,
Already installed. Yeah.
oh, yes.
It's installed.
Yes, it is installed. Now, wait till we show the match thing.
So please let me in. I'm connected from the other account.
Admitted.
So I think I got disconnected. Could you admit it again? Share the screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so for this,
Remove that screen recording page. No, there's one extra page being shown. No, we can't. We are only screening your Zoom meeting screen, not the.
Oh.
Open the terminal page. No, opening a terminal or
yeah, I'm opening.
the meeting will end in 10. I'll restart. You can join after it ends.
Yeah, so you have to open terminal and then you have to make sure you have homebrew installed. Does everybody have it? Just check BREW. It will show you. If it is there, it will show some configuration for brew.
Viraj, please increase your font size, no, or a view option.
Viraj, could you repeat which app
Yes,
this
yes,
is?
thanks.
Just in your terminal, just enter brew. If it shows brew, then it shows example usage or such anything that it shows that it's installed. Is it showing?
Oh, so what, you went into Finder and you took this?
No, just open terminal, do command space and type in terminal. It will show terminal.app. Just press return and then you'll come into the terminal and just enter brew and press return. So it should show this.
But this is after installation of brew, right?
That's what we are first checking if brew is installed. If it is
Ah,
installed,
Okay, okay.
Okay, so it is coming not found for mine.
oh, so it might not be installed. Because I don't know, since I never tried to install it. It was just reinstalled for me. So what you can do is use another way. You will have to download the homebrew through App Store.
Okay.
I'll just share the link here.
Run this command to
You
install.
can execute this command to install.
Viraj, we missed your screen again. I can see only the.
Yeah.
You stopped sharing?
Yeah.
See, when I'm saying install Bruno, it is asking Git is not installed.
No, you are not supposed to do install brew.
Whatever, that sudo install brew is there, no?
No, I have sent the command you need to execute in uh, the chat,
box.
that /bin/bash.
ये पूरा
Can you read that Choco install Hugo extended? That is what? No.
The slash bin slash base.
That's a website name, right?
No, that is
entire
that is the command to install Homebrew.
Okay. That entire thing we have to copy slash bin slash dash minus C.
Yes, the whole.
Etc. Okay.
You can just right click on the message and click copy.
Yeah.
हाँ भाई ज्वाइन करना ऐसा है हाँ चल कोई है
Okay. It is asking for Pranav's password, which I don't.
Viraj, when I clicked on this link which you shared, is taking a lot of time to download.
No, don't click. Don't click.
On that link.
Just copy the entire thing.
thing and run in the terminal.
Okay. Then it's coming. Error is coming.
Can you share your screen and show me the error? Please share your screen. Yeah. No, not the link. You have to copy the entire command.
thing. Just accept. Okay. झाला महाराज लगा copy.
Viraj, could you tell me what to do?
Yeah, just copy the command that I have pasted in the chat.
Entire thing.
The entire command.
Right.
Nothing is happening.
It will take some time.
Okay. So after this downloads, what will happen?
The homebrew will be installed, and then you can do the brew install Hugo.
Okay, and then after that? Hello?
Okay, so it's taking a while. So I'll just share how to.
It's not taking it. It's finding software. That's it. And it is saying if you want to discontinue, you press any other button. I think it is installing.
That I don't know why that's happening. So I'll just share the links to download how to.
The entire tutorial of downloading and installing Hugo on both Windows and Mac, and you can do it afterwards.
So
Yeah, that would be better.
Yeah, so just
now
Installing. It is doing installation.
yeah, I'll just share the screen.
and
Sorry,
we'll show
link.
you how to do what to do after installation.
Yeah. So So here, if you go to this link, you will find macOS, Windows, or any other operating system you're using, and then
Follow the steps.
follow the steps. I'll also show what other things you have to install. So you have to install Git. This is the downloads page. Here you'll find Windows, Mac, and Linux. You have to also download Go. You have to also download Go.
Need to be done. All these things.
Viraj, that brew is installed in this system now. What else to install, you told?
Yeah. So
run brew install choke. You go.
Can you put that also in the chat
I'll just
now?
share the command.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this will install Yugo. Just run this command in the terminal.
इसमें मीटिंग लॉगिन कर चैट बॉक्स ओपन करो चैट बॉक्स ओपन करो चाइना ऑडियो नहीं चैट बॉक्स ओपन करो
चैट बॉक्स में नहीं, फिर से कनेक्ट फिर से चैट कनेक्ट शेयर करने चैट बॉक्स में भी लॉगिन किया ना, नहीं आता है चैट। हाँ ब्रो इंस्टॉल होगा। brew install ये
and now we have to type brew install hogo.
Yeah, just copy the command that is pasted in chat.
Yeah, it is fetching Yugo. Yes. Done.
Okay, so now I'll show the next step. So this is being recorded, right? So if anybody has any issues later on, then they can just check the recording. So after this, we need to download Go. So here you can just go to go.dev. I'll just share the link to
Yeah, share the link.
So here.
Share the link in the chat.
Okay, this is for Windows users also, no?
डबल क्लिक करो, नहीं ऊपर वाला ये नहीं, ये वाला हेलो उसमें क्लिक करो, वो फर्स्ट वाला क्लिक करो, डबल कंटिन्यू।
Yeah, it is going to Go installer. Correct.
So this
installer is trying to install a new software.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, then install software, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So now it is installing Go. It's running package scripts. Installation was successful. Close. Done.
Go, now Go is also installed.
Do you want to move the Go to the installer to the bin?
It's you can do that.
I can keep or I can move it to the bin.
Yeah, you can do either. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, I'll say move to bin.
Yeah. So after this,
What next?
we have to install Git.
Git also you will send one more link for the
Yeah,
Git.
yeah, I'm sending. Aryan, is your Go also installed?
No, it is installing, downloading.
And Aditya, did you which Mac do you have? It's an Intel one or M1?
Oh, I have MacBook Air.
It's like which processor is it? Like which year? Is it after 2020?
Yeah.
Okay, then you should use the first link that I have sent. It will work for you.
After Go, something else is remaining to install.
Yes, yes. So I have sent the next command that is to install Git. So you can
Do install Git.
brew install Git.
Yes, this is on the command prompt
Yes, in the terminal.
in the terminal. Yes. Yeah, it is downloading something and it is, yes.
Also, this is the link for Git for Windows.
Yes, if finally it says ZSH completions and functions have been installed to the directory, one directory it is saying.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah. So these are all the three software that we need to run Hugo. So I'll just show how to use how to pull the code from the GitHub and then edit it. So does everybody here use VS Code?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to go to
Oh,
the
no, I don't. I don't.
yeah, you can just download a VS Code. It's you can just find the tutorial online on their website itself. Here I have sent the link. You can download it after this. I'll tell you. I'll first show you what you have to do. So after you have downloaded VS Code, you have to go to a place in your computer and then create a new folder. Just name it anything you want. I'll just name it Goa Axiom website. So here, so you can open the VS Code in this folder, and after this, you have to first. So we'll use Git now. We'll set Git origin main as our this repo. Just sorry, you have to initialize a repository first, and then yeah. So git remote add origin and the link. So this is the link. Huh? So after this, you have to do git pull main. Just git pull, and then it will get all the code here. So here you can see all the files are here. So after this, you can just go to, maybe you want to add a new image. You can just add your new image. So I'll just do a text file for now. And then you can just type git push to origin m and main. So I'll show how to do this the next after everybody has finished installing git, all the you go git and go. So that's all that is needed. I'll share the links of all the software that is needed to be downloaded in the group. If anybody has any issues, please message me. Me or Vignesh will try to help you with them. And then um, from Sunday or Monday, we'll show you how to add new blogs in the add new blogs and directly deploy it.
Viraj, could you share these recordings on the group also?
Yes,
Sai Pranav will share it.
Sai Pranav will share it, and
Yes, Sai will share it.
maybe I will send all the links in the group also.
हाँ, उसके बाद कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में जाना है और you have to type git set origin and the GitHub our website name by creating an empty directory. It's there in the recording. We can do it slowly. Pranav is absent today. I'm replacing him. Yeah. If no one, thanks, Viraj. And if anyone else has some questions, they can ask. Otherwise, you try out these installations with the recordings. And then in case of any doubts, you can get in touch with Viraj or Vignesh personally. That's fine, right, Viraj?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay, so let's end the meeting. Thanks, Viraj. And
Send all the links and the commands in the group also.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
yeah, okay then. Good night.